What is personal finance? Personal finance is all about how individuals and households, rather than companies or organizations, manage their income, spending, savings, and investments. It involves the financial management of spending, budgeting, saving, investing, planning for retirement, and preparing for other future events. Personal finance can refer to both the individual's perspective and the sector that provides financial services to people and their families. In this video, we will explore the 5 main areas of personal finance: income, budgeting, saving, investing, protection. Income is the money that we receive and use to buy things, support our loved ones, pay bills, save, and invest. Sources of income can include salaries, hourly wages, commissions, pensions, gifts, dividends, government payouts, and bonuses. To sustain a household in today's world, at least one person must have an income. Spending. The opposite of income is spending or expenditure, which is the money that leaves us. Examples of expenditure include shopping, paying bills, buying drinks with friends, purchasing presents, making charitable donations, paying rent, and mortgage installments. Spending also includes paying taxes and credit card bills. We spend either with money we have or money we borrow. Saving. If your income exceeds your spending, you have a surplus, which is money that you can save. Economists sometimes refer to savings as deferred consumption. There are many ways to save money. While some may keep their savings as cash, commonly referred to as keeping money under the mattress, most people use savings bank accounts. You might also contribute to a pension fund. If you're not satisfied with the interest earned on your savings account, consider investing. Investing involves purchasing assets such as stocks with the hope of getting a better return. Besides stocks, you might consider investing in real estate, mutual funds, bonds, or commodities. If you have substantial funds, you could even invest in a startup business and become an angel investor. Protection. Protection in personal finance means guarding against adverse or unexpected events and safeguarding the financial interests of yourself and your loved ones. This includes home insurance, car insurance, income insurance, and home content insurance, which protect against loss or damage to your home, job, car, and belongings. If you live in a country without free universal health care, health insurance is also essential. For many, securing their financial future can seem overwhelming or daunting, requiring expertise they might not have. However, help is available. Many personal finance advisors can assist you in getting started. Ensure that any advisor you choose is well qualified, honest, and reliable. Thank you for watching this brief introduction to personal finance.